Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share a very small ritual which you can perform every day without buying any expensive herbs or ingredients. This particular ritual is going to help you grow your finances, business, and attract many more new clients, opportunities, and a lot more, like good luck related to finances as well. So let me show you how to do it. Firstly, take 5 bay leaves, but make sure those are not anyhow damaged. On top of the bay leaf, especially on the glossy side, you will have to write your intentions as per your choice. Try to use green ink. If you don't have that, you can use blue as well. Once you are done writing, you will have to make the Fehu rune symbol on each one of the bay leaves. Now take a mud pot or a fireproof bowl and take some camphor and burn it. Now put all the bay leaves into the fire one by one and make sure you meditate with your intention on the bay leaves before you put it in fire. Now put 5 cloves into the fire and then cinnamon. You can use cinnamon powder or you can put direct cinnamon sticks as well. So once you are done with the ritual, you can blow the ashes into air and thank the universe for fulfilling your wishes. You can just keep on doing it for 21 days and then stop. Or I would suggest just keep on doing it every day. If you cannot do it every day, do it every alternative day. Even if you can do that, then just keep on doing it every Thursday. To add more value to the ritual, I would suggest keep on visualizing your desires, your money growing, your clients growing, your business growing every time, because always know that in any ritual, in any spell, your intention is the best ingredient. Do not forget to enchant the ingredients, like hold it and keep on saying your wish before you add it into the fire. And secondly, remember, while it's burning, you just put the smoke everywhere around your workspace. It can be your shop, it can be your desk, it can be your room, anywhere where you specially work. In that place, keep on just spreading the smoke. And while you do so, do not forget to visualize. Visualization is the key. Keep on visualizing your clients growing, your more clients coming to your shop. They are purchasing more and more. Your bank account is growing higher and higher and higher. So don't forget to try this out and let me know in my comment section. Bye.